So today we'll discuss high frequency distortion. The voltage source converters, they are also known as source of high frequency harmonics. The switching frequency and multiples of switching frequency, that is from 1 kilohertz and up to, these are present in the spectrum of the current. So a schematic approach that has been came to determine the amplitude of this high frequency harmonics. So switching frequency that may be close to a system resonance, causing rather large high frequency ripples on the voltage. So most switching schemes that will result in broadband emission, which also been confirmed by some of the measurements. Resonances cannot be avoided for these high frequency ranges, so there is a high probability that resonance will be result in high voltage distortion. Fortunately, the damping in general that will increase with frequency. For example, due to skin effect in the wire. So despite this damping effect, there will be repetitive failure of cable connection that has been reported due to the high distortion in kilohertz range. High voltage distortion in that case, that is due to resonance in the cable connection, which is close to switching frequency of a power electronics converter, which are connected at medium voltage. So this is regarding this high frequency distortion. So next is emission by individual generators. So we are having number of filtering techniques which will be compared with 110 kilowatt converter which is connected to a wind turbine. So the current waveform for this full power converter connected to 33 kV feeder, so its total harmonic distortion is 6.5%. So there will be a significant ripple which will be visible in the waveform. So present measurements of this harmonic current emission, that is 2250 WPV inverter. The harmonics up to order 50 are presented. The value given for highest harmonic order, that is 0.4% of the rated current. This would be result in a value around 1.5% for 200 Hz group. The measured spectrum of the current injected by one individual inverter that shows a peak between 4 and 5 kilohertz. The highest value for the 200 Hz group is estimated around 5%. So individual frequency components are present for low order harmonics, that is 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 11th and 13th, with the 5th and 7th harmonic dominating, and its range is about 2.5%. So this is regarding the emission by individual generators.